मुर्दाबाद
मुर्दाबाद मुर्दाबाद
बीजेपी सरकार हाय हाय
हाय हाय हाय हाय
बीजेपी सरकार हाय हाय
हाय हाय हाय जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
हाय कांग्रेस जिंदाबाद
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
राहुल गांधी आगे बढ़े हम आपके साथ हैं
साथ है
राहुल गांधी आगे बढ़े हम आपके साथ हैं
Gotri RSS Bahini, they used to call Rahul Gandhi Papu Papu Papu. जिसको पापू कहते थे अभी वो बाघ बन गया. The one whom they tried to diminish him, making him Papu, today he became a tiger. They thought Rahul Gandhi is very innocent adult. He knew nothing. That is the meaning of Papu. Now the same Papu, which BJP thought has made the walking from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. More than 3 months. Tini mahor bisi Kanyakumari pora Kashmir lei padayatra korise hi Papue. Are itu okol nohoy. Lahe lahe BJP gom phale. RSS came to know this is not a Papu. If Rahul Gandhi survive, if Rahul Gandhi is in the open sky, that BJP will not come back in 24. So that was their Sorojantra, that was their conspiracy. They were trying to stop Rahul Gandhi's speech. They are trying to block him from every nook and corner from being a public man. That is what they did. So what we feel today is Kokrazar under the leadership of Kokrazar DCC President Pranjit Busumutari Danguria. We are here today to tell to the people of this country, to tell the BJP, to tell the people of this country is that Dharamot. Rahul Gandhi is for the people of this country. He is protecting the Loktantra. He is protecting the democracy. Without Rahul Gandhi today, we will miss a big missing. That's why we are here today. We are making a satyagraha that Rahul Gandhi, we are with him. Rahul Gandhi, you are not alone. The whole nation is with you. Even the United Nations is giving a remark about the idea of BJP. They are removing him from being a member of Lok Sabha. All those tales and all the opposition parties have come together, and even the AAP Supremo Kejriwal and then Trinamool leader Mamata Banerjee and many other opposition leaders also came together in aid of Rahul Gandhi. That tells that India is with Rahul Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi is there for the nation.
बरपेटा रोडनि मुरी बाजारनि बरपेटा पुलिस थानानि खोलाहा थानाय दावला हटेलनि साखाथियाव गोदानै R&D मेडिकेल मुंनि गोदानै गंसे देहा फाहामसालि खुलिदों। बे देहा फाहामसालियाव गोबां बेमारफोरखौ नायनाय जागोन, जेरैहाय डायबिटिस, लोमजानाय साजानाय, आथिं आखाइ, मोदोमाव सानाय सुनाय, भां, गांजा, डेन्ड्राइट, ड्राग्स बायदि फेग्रा मुवा लानाय, फेग्रा मुवा मोनाब्ला हमथानो हायै जानाय बायदि बायदि गोबां बेमारफोरखौ बे देहा फाहामसालियाव फाहामथाय होनाय जागोन। बे देहा फाहामसालियाव फाहामथाय होनो थाखाय गुवाहाटीनिफ्राय मोजां डक्टर फैगोन आरो बेयाव मुलिफोरखौ खम बेसेनावनो मोननो हागोन। R&D मेडिकेलाव फाहामथाय लाफैनो थाखाय गाहायनि जानबुं नाम्बाराव जगाजग खालामनो हागोन। जानबुं नाम्बारा जाबाय 8099 480 118।